Hey friends, Fluffy here. How are we today? So as you can see, we have something very special. NGA and Rainbow High have sent me something very nice. OMG. As you can see, they sent me the one and only Lily Cheng. Isn't she beautiful? Like, oh my gosh, just the box, the fact that they sent me a card, I was just like, wow, they have outdone themselves. Very, very flattered to get this gift from NGA. We really, really appreciate it. We feel very blessed that they would send us this gift. I am so honored that they would choose me to review this, because review this we're about to do. We're about to review this so good. We're reviewing this in multiple parts. So let's get ready with part one. Okay, so let's take a look at her box. They sent us a card, as they always do. So sweet of them. I'm gonna read it. It says, "Hi, we would like to introduce you to our new beautiful collector doll, Lily Cheng. She has arrived just in time to celebrate the Year of the Tiger. Lily is strong, confident, and her creative fashions always roar with style and tradition. We invite you to celebrate the Lunar New Year with us and Lily." First of all, this is the back of the box, okay? Like, they've outdone themselves with the back of the box. I mean, come on now. Okay, her name, they got her name down here, Lily Cheng, the fan with rainbow on it. Can they get any more? Can we, designers, can we get any more better? And this is a numbered edition. So not only did they send me an early preview, they also sent me a numbered edition, which I will reveal at the end of this video. Oh my gosh, I'm just so in love. Okay, in love. Okay, look at the front of the box. Look at the front of the box. I don't think any Rainbow High box has ever been like this. Like, just look at this. Let's take a moment, friends. This is too pretty. This is too beautiful. And this is like real, what do I want to call this? It's not rubber. It's definitely like a plastic piece, and it velcros on and off, and it opens. Are you ready for this? Look at her name poking through. Okay, and it opens, and look at her. Isn't she gorgeous? Isn't she beautiful? Isn't she stunning? Like, I don't know what to say. Like, I'm taken aback. I'm flabbergasted. I'm shocked. I'm amazed. Let's read the inside, okay? Let's read this together. In honor of her heritage and the rich history of Lunar New Year, Lily Cheng designed her very own Year of the Tiger outfit with a brocade fabric, lucky red details, and gold embroidery. Okay, I heard that. It's a modern look that roars with style and tradition. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty, y'all. Look at her fan, y'all. Like, the fan. The fan. The bracelets. And it's Year of the Tiger. And so some of her bracelets have tiger stripes. Don't hurt him, MGA. Do not hurt him. I see some tiger embroidery on the skirt. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Like, this is beautiful. Look at the embroidery on her second outfit. It's like she has multiple outfits. She's got a beautiful jacket. Look at her shoes. Look at the artwork. Like, the artwork on the box is phenomenal. Phenomenal. They've got the chopstick. First of all, she has bows, and then they have chopsticks with the little hanging pearls. Like, whew, beautiful. Look at the shoes. Come on, y'all. And it says Year of the Tiger. But I can't get over the box, let alone do I want to open her. Okay, let's also look at the bow. Do we see this bow? The detail that they took. Do y'all see the bow? Am I seeing this by myself? The fact that they took the time to do the bow, okay? The emblem, okay? With the The emblem with the, and then look at the tag. You earned your stripes. Come on, guys. Come on. This is beautiful. This is luxury. This doll makes me feel like I am not worthy. Okay? She makes me feel like I am not worthy. Her hair is perfect. Like, we're about to take it out, and I'm about to show y'all how her hair is, but I already know it's perfection. Like, I already know her hair is perfection. I feel it. I feel it. Look at her makeup. Perfect. She's gorgeous. She's beautiful. To all of my friends that have already pre-ordered her, I know the pre-orders for the number ones already went out like a couple weeks ago. And then the non-number ones are available on Amazon. I'll try to put a link below if they are still available. Oh my gosh. But yes, you guys, she's beautiful. Don't hurt them, MGA. Do not hurt them. Like, this is the best collector doll that they have ever done. Hands down. This is the best one. This is the best collector doll. I'm not even gonna argue with anybody. You know, it's just, she's the best. She's the best collector doll with all that she comes with. Extra outfit to the T. Okay, not only is it an extra outfit, she has an extra jacket. So it's almost like she has extra pieces going on here. And who knows how many pieces this is, because this looks like more than one piece. This looks like 1, 2, 3 pieces. So this is 3 pieces and then 3 pieces because I'm including the shoes. Come on, y'all. Okay, that's 6 different pieces. Then we've got the beautiful earrings, like, and the 6 bracelets. Like, come on now. Whew. All right, let me unbox. Okay. Lily, my baby, come on out, baby. Gently get her out, because she is a collector edition. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Beauty. Okay, this is beautiful work. Again, like I said, like, all praises to the designers. All hail MGA. Us doll collectors are not worthy. She is cute. Oh, my baby. She is so pretty. Look at her, y'all. Like, OMG. I'm gonna get all up in her face for y'all. Look how pretty she is. I'm amazed. I know that they are retailing on Amazon for $80. So keep that in mind. But this is she's worth every penny. I'm feeling this fabric right now. Oh, worth it. This is nice. This is nice. This might even be like the real fabric that they really use over there in China to make these outfits. This is nice. This is nice. This fan, beautiful. The hair accessories, like I said, y'all, with the gold pearls coming out. Do y'all see that? Do we see that? Like, let me try to get it, because mine are coming. Oh my gosh. And then these bows are not hard. This is soft. You see how easily I'm pushing this? This is soft, y'all. Her bangs are hard. Tendrils, yeah, got a little bit of some on them. Nothing that you couldn't boil dip this out if you wanted to. But with it being a collector doll, like, I could leave her just like this and be fine. She's fine. I don't even need to take her out the packaging. That's how obsessed I am. That's how crazy I am over MGA and what they do. Okay, I will leave this like this. I will slip her back into this box and be like, what? Who opened what? Not me. Not me. No, I did not open up an $80 Chinese New Year of the Tiger 2022 doll. Not me. No, I'm just playing. But she is beautiful, y'all. We will be back with some more details, some more intrinsic details. I promise you, in part 2, I got number 1020. And I am so happy with this number because 20 is the day of my birthday. And so to have a 2 in my number at all, to me signifies good luck and fortune for the year. Like, I just feel like it's fate for me to get this exact package, and it's fate for me to get this exact package and it be sent to me as a gift from MGA. That's even more of a fated situation, because with them sending it, I don't know what I'm getting. I mean, I won't know from Amazon either when they come, but I'm just saying, to me, I feel like this special package from MGA is fate, that they would give me this number 1020. Like, I feel so just elated and so happy, and just, I feel so grateful and blessed. We'll see you again next time for part 2, friends. Bye bye now.